welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my own $5 high-waisted shorts. Much more flattering and they're just more comfortable. I don't know about you guys, but when I go to the store and try to buy high-waisted shorts, they never fit me. Like, they're either way too tight on my thighs or way too tight on my waist. They're just not built right. So my little hack I do is I go to the thrift store and I go in the men's section and I look for like those old school jeans or like mom jeans. Today I'm gonna be making a pair of black high-waisted jean shorts for you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoy the video and give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe down below. You don't need like fancy things or like expensive stuff to like make your own cute clothes. Okay, so to start, I have a regular pair of men's jeans. They're kind of like acid wash a little bit. I don't know, I kind of liked the color. I thought it was different than anything I had. So these jeans were $1.98. So cheap. And y'all, I get so many more compliments the clothes I make myself from like the thrift store or whatever than clothes that I buy already made like that. So I'm telling you guys, it's worth it. It's just trial and error. Try things. You're spending $1 to $2 on it. If it doesn't work out, it's not a big deal. You just try again. The trick to making your own like distressed clothes, cut where you want cut, and then you throw the jeans in the washer. It's super easy. I'm supposed to be making a tutorial on it because it's so freaking easy.
Money changing colors like ta-da, ta-da. I'm just trying to get it, I ain't trying to die. No. She got a big ol' on your booty, make the world cry. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it. Hold them bands down, hey. Hold your mans down, hey. Who told you come around? Who? That's that trap sound. Designer, clothes, fashion, shows, trap, house, made it, gold, control the bag now.
So I have my little mark right there. I'm taking scissors. This is nothing fancy. These are scissors I have in my kitchen, and cut through it so it really doesn't have to be perfect. Not gonna lie, if you don't have good fabric cutting scissors, it's a little bit harder. Halfway through right now. See how I cut it a little bit slanted up? I have big inner thighs, so I like that extra fabric right there, and then it kind of goes up. And then I'm gonna fold it in half so I can get a similar cut to the other side. My little rough draft obviously did not look very cute right now. Just trust the process. If it comes out looking like it was $1. I like cutouts on my back pocket. So in the front, I'm gonna make a slit so that the pocket can show through. Fold the fabric like this and just cut on top like that so you get a little slit. And then when you open it up, you can cut across in the slit. I hope that makes sense. When it frays, it'll be cute, and then the pocket can kind of like show through. This is what we have so far. See how they're kind of like hanging? The slits I cut on the pocket. I have both pockets right here. One more slit right there. I've been cutting mine this like very thin layer around the edge. I've been trimming that off too so that the waistline has like a distressed look. The thinnest little top layer, it's really an annoying process, but it adds like a really dope touch to the jeans. It just looks like that. I just trimmed around the edge. I'm gonna roll these in the wash. I'll be right back with the finished product. So I just finished washing and drying my short. I think they're really, really cute. Only thing I'm a little bit disappointed about is one of my front slips ripped. So if you can see, one of them is still hanging and one of them ripped. But I showed you in the clip, I just went ahead and cut that off.
No need to brag now. No need. Hey, put the mask down. We living fast now. Finest. Oh, finest.
Because it's just like kind of goes down to where the shorts go in the back.
Rose, we can go. We can go. Keep watching me with Bob still. Keep real and fame.
Here's the distressing on the pockets.
In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it. In the kitchen, wrist.
So I hope this video just inspired you to try making or distressing something of your own. If you'd like to see more DIY videos, I'm gonna try to post a lot more. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video today, please like and subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. And have a great rest of your day.
Watching me, democracy, you wanna copy me. Life's monopoly, go copy some land and some property.